So Richard from Launch UK, Automechanika back after 4 years, a lot of excitement. Tell us about Launch and what you're up to this year.
It's been a very interesting start to the show as well. We've been really busy. Launch over the last year or so has been growing massively in popularity, and our range is going out there, I'd say, to many more garages again. The functionality of our units is superb and people are appreciating them. So we're trying to keep up with demand really. It's as good as that at the moment. The show's been great. We've got plenty of footfall coming around, which is great. So yeah, a hell of a lot of good things about Launch this year.
And where's the key focus that customers are concentrating on? Your diagnostics and your ADAS, I believe, are quite big.
Yeah, absolutely. ADAS is new for us, and the ADAS mobile system will roll into a flat space on a garage. So whereas you could set your work up on the bays at the back, you can roll the ADAS mobile into that middle space and then pack it away when you're finished. And I think that's a massive advantage to the garages. A lot of them are saying, yeah, we're really interested in that.
So the uptake on that has been really good.
Very good. We've got many demos to do all around the country, and what we do is go out and demonstrate it properly so the customers, get to see it properly. It can be set up for them. So.
And of course, you've got many other products on here. Where else is the focus been? Obviously, the ADAS is the main.
Yeah. I mean, our top range still's called a Eurotab 3. And the Eurotab 3 has got great functionality, which the garages are really appreciating. They're saying they're finding functionality to be a problem, and they're finding the Eurotab 3 will give them the answers they're looking for. Connected to, or with a smart link, it's connected to a remote services company. So if you do get stuck, you can use the remote services to come through. So that in itself is a real winner out there, and lots of people are going for that new model.
I think that's the key, isn't it? A lot of people are looking for solutions at the moment.
It is solutions, and with the ever-changing market and the ever-changing manufacturer rules, we're trying to work around and work with them as much as possible.
And it is a changing market. Of course, we all know that the elephant in the room is EVs.
Yeah, absolutely. But we do have a new range of EV products just down the side there, and we are looking to invest in EV over the next year or two. They're going to grow in popularity. We know it's coming. So we will have the right range for our customers.
How are you finding the balance between EV and ICE development and obviously products?
At the moment, the EV product's new in development, and I think that it's becoming sort of 10%-ish of what we do. So it's not prolific in its sales at the moment, but at the same time we realise the investment in the future is all EV for manufacturers. That's not to say we're not going to keep supporting what the garages are seeing at the moment, and it's important that you've got tools to deal with the cars at this moment. But for the future, our EV range will be superb.
You've got to be at the head of the market, but also maintain what you're doing, and
absolutely,
it's difficult as it's a balance.
Absolutely, and things like our DPF gun and DPF gun fluids, and what we're doing on social media now are all helping the customers in different ways,
making things easier for the customer.
And that's what it's all about.
Do you think, Richard, that consumers are starting to drive trends as well at the garages? They're going in and asking for specific products, whereas in the past you accepted what the mechanic said. Yeah,
I think that's very true. I think garage owners and customers of garage owners are becoming much more aware of what they really want to do with each car, rather than being told this is what you do. They're finding out much more about how they can repair cars in different ways and what they can do to support their customers better. And I think that knowledge is great for us, because they're asking us more technical things that we're able to answer a lot of the time. And they're seeing a benefit in having that understanding of the market that we have.
And if people are asking questions, they're interested.
Exactly. And if they ask questions, then we've got answers.
That's the key, you've got to have answers. Brilliant. Thank you, Richard. Thank you.
No worries. Thank you very much.